Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am so excited to say that this is going to be a collaboration video. It's going to be a clean with me video, and I'm going to be doing this collaboration with my girls Shanthi over at Shanti's Lifestyle and Amber over at Ambams Life. So I'm going to give them a moment to introduce themselves to you all.
Hi everybody, my name is Shanthi from Shanti's Lifestyle. I am a wife and a mother of 3. On my channel you'll find a lot of different videos from cleaning, cooking, organization, decorating videos, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. I love it if you guys come over and check out my channel. Hopefully subscribe after you're done watching this beauties video. If you do decide to come over and subscribe, please let me know in the comments. I'd really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys there. Bye!
Hey guys! My name is Amber over from Ambams Life. I would love it if you guys would head on over and check out my channel and see what I'm all about. I do lots of cleaning motivation, lifestyle videos, planning videos, anything pertaining to being a mom. And I recently have started working full-time again, so I have a lot of that content that I'm starting to mix in as well. Handling life, working, and just being a mom. It's hard. So if you guys are into that type of thing, definitely head on over to my channel. I would love it if you guys would come over and say hi. I'll see you guys over there. Bye.
Okay, now that you got a chance to meet my girls, if you have not seen them before now, I don't know where you have been. They are absolutely awesome. They are beautiful women, and they are so much fun to watch. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Go ahead and hit that red subscription button and hit the like button as well. It lets me know that you guys enjoyed this video and I know what kind of content to keep putting on my channel for you all. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. I don't want to make it too long here for this introduction. So let's go ahead and jump right on into the video.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I am better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand. And I just
called you up, said I need you now, cause I'm losing patience. By 4 you were knocking on my door. I said love is a two-way road, he don't care no more, am I going crazy? Needed you just to help forget it all. And it was easy, you put the records on to replay, dance till we couldn't see straight, till the morning came along. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening, we don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along, cause that's what friends are for. Cause that's what friends
guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload